Hello guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a little bedroom refresh today. I am going to be cleaning and decluttering and just kind of doing an everyday declutter like we've been doing and just getting rid of some random things that we don't need and just tidying up the space a little bit. I got a few new items that are really going to make a big impact in this space. I'm so excited to show you. And yeah, I think it's just definitely time for this space to be tidied up, refreshed, and it just needs some love. So let's go ahead and do it together. So here is what we're starting with today. My room is a little messy, but honestly, it's not that bad and it's definitely been worse before. So today we're focusing on cleaning out all the hidden spaces and also doing a deep clean of the space as well. I noticed that it's way easier to get a good deep clean in when you're already starting with a semi-clean room and not having to pick up everything up and then also do a deep clean after that. It just gets really tiring. So luckily there's not too many things to pick up, but there are things that we need to declutter and sort through, like in the nightstands, and I also need to fold and put away all of this laundry, and I'm also going to make sure I'm decluttering that as well. I'm going to get rid of anything that we don't wear anymore or that we don't fit into anymore. We're also going to give everything a good wipe down and just get this room looking nice and tidy again. I'm going to take off my bedding and throw it in the wash, and we're actually going to take off our mattress too because we're going to be replacing it with a brand new one. I'm doing a quick spray and clean off of these little fingerprints on our bed frame so we can have a clean slate for our brand new mattress. And that brings us to today's sponsor, Sienna. I'm all about getting a good night's sleep. I love my sleep. Sleep not only impacts your health and wellness, but it also just helps rejuvenate your routine. So Sienna sent me the comfiest memory foam mattress, and it even got delivered straight to my door, which was just so convenient. I'm always a little weary about this whole mattress in a box situation, but you guys, this one is so comfy. It takes 24 hours to fully puff up, but you can sleep on it after 3 hours. It really did expand fast after we unboxed it, and I love how convenient this is. So we didn't have to drag a whole mattress up our stairs, and it was so easy to transport because it all comes compacted. You also have the option to add on 2 cooling pillows, a mattress protector, and a sheet set, so that is amazing. This mattress by Sienna has 3 different foam layers to ensure you're getting a comfortable experience. The first layer is contour and comfort layer, which is intended to cushion your body. The second is a support layer, which helps provide resistance against the body. And the third is a base layer that helps support the layers above. They have a 10-year warranty, so your mattress is backed up by a decade-long guarantee. You also get a 180-night home trial, so you can make sure it's right for you. That's awesome. That's literally 6 months of trial time. They even have free shipping and returns, and they have financing available for as low as 0% APR. I truly cannot say enough good things about this memory foam mattress. We've been on the market for a new mattress, so I was so excited when Sienna reached out so we could try this one and work together. This is our first time using memory foam, and it has changed the game for us so far. We just love it. So soft, so squishy, but it's also firm enough to give you the support you need. I have a link down below in the description if you are on the market for a new mattress. Definitely recommend Sienna. So comfortable and convenient too. While our mattress is rising and puffing up out of the box, I am going to work on cleaning the rest of the room. So let's get to the nightstands. You can always see me doing a little dance moves in these videos because I love to just put myself up, be in a positive mood, and just make the best of this situation. Nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to clean. Nobody wants to declutter, but it's something that has to be done. And it's just so important for your mental health to have a clean and tidy space. So I want to set a good example for my kids by keeping this space clean and tidy. And it's so much easier to do that when you just do little declutters and cleanings like this. If I were to not declutter out this space for a year, it would just take me so much longer to do this. But because I am keeping up with it, it is definitely not going to take me as long. That was my entire nightstand already, and it was so quick. There's always so much more random stuff in Nick's nightstand than there is in mine because this just has easier access for the kids. So I feel like the kids always just come in here and put random stuff in. So half of this stuff is going to, I'm just going to get rid of it because it's just, I don't even know why we still have it. Like there's a baby monitor right there that is broken that we don't use and we haven't used in a year, and it's just been sitting in there. So that is just an example of something that I'm getting rid of. Any cords or electronic cords that I have no idea what it goes to, that's got to go as well. And anything that doesn't belong in here, like toys, is just going to go in its correct spot. There was just so many random things in here, and there's a whole bunch of just decor, and you can see all of this random stuff in here needs to just go back to its home. So that is a part of decluttering. Decluttering doesn't always have to mean that you're getting rid of everything. It can also just mean that you're cleaning and putting things back in its place. I always get so many comments on how dirty this mirror is. I know. I'm aware of how dirty the mirror is. I have to get ready in front of it every single day. So yes, my kids are always in here. We always like to have breakfast in here. So it is just a mess sometimes. There's always like stuff spilled on the carpet or on the walls. I'm pretty sure this is dried up applesauce on the wall. They're always getting just fingerprints and just things everywhere. They're kids, of course they're messy, and honestly I don't mind if they're messy. Like I don't want to be one of those moms who is going to freak out about every little mess. That will stress me out even more. So I let them get messy and it's fine. I just accept that I'm going to have to clean it, and I'm just going to have to do that for the next 18 years, and it's fine. That is just the stage of life that we're in, and I'm just accepting it and taking it for how it is. This fireplace is a DIY that we did. Well, it was a fireplace that we just got from Facebook Marketplace, but it used to be gray, and we painted it black, and you can see the paint chipping, the black paint chipping everywhere. So it's just looking really crusty. So we're gonna get all the dust off and everything, but I feel like because the paint is chipping, it doesn't look that clean, but I mean, it's clean. There's no dust, there's no fingerprints, there's no food stains or coffee rings on there. So it is definitely clean. This always just gets so dusty and dirty, and it shows up so well because it's black. So I always make sure to do a really good clean on this fireplace. I just wanted to show you guys my new wall art. How beautiful is this? In permanent marker and everything. I'm obsessed. You guys, I used a whole ass magic eraser for just that wall, and look at it now, it's in like little shreds. Like that is just insane. But magic erasers definitely work. I don't know what's in them, but if you have like markers or just like something, but I love using them for my drywall or my cabinets. Those is what I find the magic eraser works best on. Who knows? I don't even know what's in that, but it is just godsend. Okay, moving on to the clothes. So I'm just gonna start putting everything on the bed. You can already see the bed starting to rise up a little bit. It's so satisfying. But anyways, we are just going to go through these clothes. I'm gonna fold them. Half of these are mine, half of these are Nick's. Me and Nick do our laundry together, and then the kids do their laundry together. Well, they don't do their own laundry. We do their laundry separately than we do ours, in separate loads, because it just makes more sense to us. But this pile of clothes has probably been sitting here needing to get folded and gone through for like a week or so. Maybe 2, honestly. This has needed to be done for so long. So I'm just folding everything that I'm gonna keep, and then everything that I'm not gonna keep, I'm just gonna throw it into a different pile. There are some things in this pile because like I said, it's been sitting here for 2 weeks, that are dirty and need to be washed again. So I'm also making a separate pile for those. We have a folded pile that's gonna go straight into our closet and be put away. And then we have a Goodwill pile and also a dirty pile. So most of these clothes are just folded and need to be put away, but there's some here and there like scragglers that always get washed that are supposed to be in the Goodwill pile, but Nick washes them anyway, and so they have to go back into the Goodwill pile. When I'm folding clothes, I like to be able to see everything when I'm grabbing it, so I don't want to stack the clothes on top of each other. I'm gonna have them more like in a vertical line. I should have showed you, I didn't get a clip of inside of my dressers, but I should have kind of showed you how I put all of my clothes in. But I pretty much just use the KonMari method for folding, so everything stands up vertically, so it's way easier to see and you can pick out everything that you're gonna wear. And it's so much better that way because you don't have to rummage through everything, and your drawers actually stay nice, neat, and clean, and you can actually see what you have in front of you. I've done this for years and I will do this for the rest of my life. I absolutely love using the KonMari method. If you haven't looked it up, you can just look up the KonMari method here on YouTube and they'll show you exactly how to fold it and everything. I love it. We'll be using it for the rest of my life. If you guys were around for my last little room refresh in here, you'll remember that we added this rug. This rug, I don't know if it's still on sale, but I'll definitely link it for you guys. But it is so soft. It's the Laloy collection with Amber Lewis, and it is the cloud pile, and it definitely feels like a cloud. It is the softest rug I've ever felt. I talked about it so much in my last video, but I wanted to just put this clip in here again because it just makes such a big difference in this room. And I regret not putting a rug over my carpet in here sooner because it just made it all that more comfy, and honestly, it made it feel a lot more clean. That is it for today. If you are still here, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. It helps YouTube, the algorithm, just push out my videos a little bit more, and it really helps support me. So I appreciate you so much for giving this a thumbs up and also commenting. Any sort of engagement on these videos is so much appreciated. You guys already do so much just by watching these videos and supporting me, and I just love you guys so much. I love this community and I can't get over it. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you too, and we will see you in a few days in a new video. Bye. And thanks again to Sienna for sponsoring a portion of today's video.